solar connector, 10 watt. So it looks super skinny, but it unfolds to be very, very big. There's a couple of plugs. Boom. And look, when it unfolds, it doesn't even fit into the shot. But at the same time, look how skinny that is. So super lightweight. So this is like a solar panel film. It comes with all these adapters. My phone is at 5%, so we're gonna go in the sun, lay it out, and see how much energy will it get in 30 minutes. Looks like it folds like that instead of rolling over, and then roll it off like that, like a cover. That's cool. And the plug is gonna go boom. And I guess we could just keep it over here and it will hold it all together. Not bad, that's cool, look at that. But I'll probably keep the wire somewhere else, but for now it's good. So I'm in Florida, gonna lay it out right in the sun this way. And as you can see, let's see, there's a little red dot. It's kinda cloudy, but we're in Florida, so the sun is gonna come out in a minute. So we're gonna plug this in and plug it into the phone. Let's see what happens. It's charging at 5%, as you can see. 2:11. So we'll come back in, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe, see how much it charges. Because right now the phone is at 5%. You see that? 5%, and it's charging. Okay, we have a really big storm cloud coming up, raining a little bit. Let's see, it's been here for 30 minutes, still at 5%, so it was not producing enough charge because it got really cloudy pretty much instantly. So it did not charge anything in the cloud, even though it's kind of says on and off. We'll have to have a sunny day, so left it for 30 minutes, didn't charge anything in the clouds like that. It has to be perfect open sun because it's still at 5%, you see. And it is what time is it? 2:39, so almost 30 minutes, nothing. So we'll fold it up and use it whenever sun comes out. But I do love it how easy it is to fold it up and unfold it. So that's a problem with the solar panels, because if it rains for a few days without stop, you don't have any power, so you'll have to have some kind of alternative source of generator, because this doesn't work when there's raining non-stop. But we'll put it to the test. It's Florida, hopefully it'll go away. If not, I'll film that in a different video. But just wanted to show you, yeah, it's cool, but sometimes it doesn't work. It's super light, this thinner solar panel. It just does not work when it's cloudy or raining. But they are awesome when they're sunny. We'll test them in the next video. For this gadget, I got right here a soda pump. How weird is that? So this is a fizz keeper, so that way the soda doesn't go bad. Especially if you like to buy this kind of soda, 2-liter bottles. Some people do like that kind of stuff. And you see, it's a little pump, and at the same time it's a cup. Okay, let's try it out. First of all, we're gonna open it, and usually you see it's pre-filled with fizz. Let's say we drink maybe a glass full out of it. So when we take out a glass full out of this soda, there's still lots of fizzings. And whenever we close this cup, let's see, you see it's very soft, so lots of fizzes can escape. But if we pump into it with this little cup, look at that. Just keep pumping till it's get, I think this way is the easiest, till it gets really tight, and let's see if it will actually keep the fizzes. It takes quite a bit of pumping, so imagine pumping so much whenever it's like half full or even less. Okay, I assume it has to be really tight, so that's probably good. Okay, that's it. It doesn't pump anymore. So now let's try to shake it. Oh wow, it almost doesn't fizz. Still does quite a bit, but let's open it, see what happens. Whoa, it really does holds the fizz. Do you see that? Now you can pour it, close it, and pump it up again to keep all the fizz in. Ready to open it? Boom, open it. and the regular cup. Let's see if it fizzes more. You see? Oh yeah, fizzes instantly a lot. But yeah, anyways, pretty unique gadget for sure. Got it here, new flashlight just came out, E7. Oh, one pretty good brand. And check this out, what's so special about it? As you can see, it's a keychain, tiny flashlight, very lightweight. So to press on it and open the latch and then twist it, you have a AAA battery. Then you get yourself AAA batteries, any kind. Put it in and kind of slide it in and lock it back up. So you also have the charging port over here. Boom. I don't have the wire for that kind of phone. I have iPhone, but you know, I can get that pretty easily. It don't come with it. Then you kind of press a click for AAA batteries. You'll see the green light. And then you have really nice spotlight type of light. Moonlight and very bright. So 1, 2, 3 settings. Nice, and then hold it and turn it off. And it completely shut off panty. As you can see, very bright. It reflects on the white panty pretty good. So we can find whatever. Beautiful, isn't it? Then much darker, brighter, and super bright. And press and hold. And it glows in the dark, so you can find it pretty easily. And then you press this little flashlight, and then wow, that's a really bright floodlight, like almost like a mini lantern. Check this out. So you need something, you can set this up or this way right here. Boom, it's pretty bright. Camera can readjust, but there you go. You can set it up this way. Wow, that's cool. That's definitely one of a kind. And there's blue light. Boom. Double blue light. Wow, that is interesting. One of a kind flashlight, super new. And then shut it off and look how glowy that is. Beautiful. Both sides, blue and green. Wow, one of a kind. It's probably can recharge even more. So I do like rechargeable built-in batteries, but it takes a while to recharge them, and you gotta recharge them all the way so you don't damage the batteries. But also I really like replaceable batteries. Whenever you just put it in a new fresh batteries and you're ready to go, you know what I mean? But what happens when you're out of batteries? It like happens all the time. Oh look, there's a flashing mode. Hold it for 3 seconds, it'll shut off. So that's why it's so awesome to have both. In case you're out of these fresh batteries, you can just charge it up, wait, I don't know, 30-40 minutes, charge it as long as it takes to fully charge it, and you have at least flashlight rechargeable. But if you need a quick one, you can drop that one in. Or this one battery dies, you have power in these batteries, it's automatically switches. And if this one also dies, if you've been using it all day, all night, every day, you bring it back up, maybe 4 batteries, and keep using backup, and maybe when sun comes out you can recharge it with the solar panel, like one of those portables. So that's kind of cool keychain camping everyday carry flashlight. It just came out, super new. No plug-in power bank. I love these little things. Comes with the European stuff. Looks like also wireless charger. To charge it, all you have to do is grab this and plug it in and charge it. And there is on and off button, and it's already pre-charged at 52%. The best part about this, you plug it in into the wall and they're so easy to charge. That's it. You see? It kicked in, so it's 52% right now. And it's charging, and it's gonna fill up slowly. That's how easy it is to charge these things without having a cord. Wow, it went up to 53. Charging pretty quickly. It charged up to 89% in just like 10 minutes. This thing charges so fast. So you fold the charging port. Let's see. My phone to the case, charging. 253. I'm gonna leave it like that for, I don't know, 10 minutes, and we'll see how many bars we'll get in just 10 minutes on a wireless charging. That's actually very convenient. One time my charger broke. I was using this kind of chargers. wireless chargers to keep charging my phone, and you didn't have to buy a new phone, because what are you gonna do if your plug breaks? Okay, 3 or 4, let's see, and we are at 14%, so yeah, charging really quickly. I like it. But at the same time it went down to 43%. Wow, that's kind of cool. At least they tell you how much power this power bank has. These cell phones are powerful. It up almost half, maybe a little bit more than half of the battery, and only got like 10%, but very quickly. Got it here, new touchless drink dispenser. Let's see what it's about. The battery is gonna go in here. So got my milk, gonna open it first of all. You know what, might have to pour a little bit out, because that initial pump, I don't want to spill it over. So you want to make sure that's clean. And as you can see, there's kind of like a two rubber thing, also like screw on, but I think it'll hold it really tight. Wow, that is nice. It's a little bit loose, but let's see. So just press on it. Oh, there's a safety right here. So you lock it so it doesn't pour, unlock it this way, and then just pop it in. Wow, it shuts off pretty good. Check this out, that is cool. Definitely very powerful. And it works with the glass really nicely. Sideways shot. One more over here. Very nice, pumps it and fills it very quickly too. So you open fridge, set it somewhere that is easy to get to, and just fill it up. Boom, close the fridge. Don't have to lift a full gallon of milk. That way it makes it a lot easier.